Hi, I'm Lily,
Hi, I'm Lauren.
Hi, I'm Lexi.
and we're here today to talk about mechanical and thermal engineering.
Mechanical engineering is the study of objects and systems in motion. Mechanical engineers combine physics and material science to design, analyze, manufacture, and maintain mechanical systems.
They deal with anything that moves, from components to machines to the human body. Mechanical engineers use thermodynamics and thermal engineering in converting heat to design engines, power plants, and HVAC systems.
Let's go over our important terms. First, we have energy, the power to make machines work. When you microwave a bowl of popcorn, the microwave uses energy. In this activity, shaking your bag of ingredients gives the system energy to turn itself into ice cream. What other machines in your house need energy? Where could this energy come from?
Our next term is heat, the flow of energy. When you put a bag of popcorn in the microwave, heat flows from the microwave to your popcorn kernels. In this activity, the ice cream ingredients will release heat until they cool down to a temperature that turns into ice cream. If heat enters the system, does it heat up or cool down? What if the heat leaves the system? Here's a hint. How does the temperature change when heat leaves the ice cream ingredient system?
Our third vocab word is thermodynamics, the study of heat and how it moves and works as energy. When you think about how energy lets your microwave turn on and why popcorn pops as a result, you're thinking about thermodynamics. In this activity, you will be able to look at the thermodynamics of an ice cream creation. Cooking involves a lot of thermodynamics. Pick something you or your parent cooked recently. How could thermodynamics have been involved to make the food?
And our last important term is freezing point, the temperature a liquid turns into a solid. Water's freezing point is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, or 0 degrees Celsius, and it's the temperature that it turns into ice. In this activity, you'll see that the freezing point for your ingredients when they begin turning into solid ice cream. How do water or other liquids look different once they've reached their freezing point? What are some ways that you can tell that something has reached its freezing point?
Let's get started with today's activity. We will be making homemade ice cream. When water reaches its freezing point and changes into its solid state, or ice, the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. But if you add salt, then the freezing temperature drops even more. That's because salt lowers water's freezing point.
Have you ever noticed how when the sidewalk is icy, they put salt on it to melt the ice and make it safer for walking? That's the same principle. The salt they put on the sidewalk mixes with the ice, and because its freezing point is lower than the temperature of the unsalted ice, the sidewalk melts.
When you're making ice cream, the lower temperature of the ice and salt mixture, which surrounds the cream and sugar mixture, is cold enough to change the state of the cream from a liquid to a solid.
Let's go over our supplies now. Make sure with an adult it's okay to use these materials.
First, we're going to need some milk, and we're going to need either whipping cream or heavy cream, or I'm using half and half today. And if you don't have those, you can get creative and either use something like juice, or you can just replace it with another, just using milk. And you'll need some sugar, and you'll need vanilla extract, and you'll need salt, and most importantly, you'll need ice.
We will also need one big Ziploc bag. Can't really see it. And one small Ziploc bag, in addition to some measuring cups so that you can measure out your amount.
So our first step is going to be adding 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of cream, or another 1/2 cup of milk, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla to the small Ziploc bag. All right, now we have our bags with our milk and cream and vanilla extract.
Next, put 2 cups of ice into the big Ziploc bag.
And then you're gonna add 1/2 cup to 3/4 cups of salt into your ice bag.
And after that, place the sealed small bag inside of the big bag with ice. Make sure that you seal the big bag really tight because you don't want anything spilling.
Let's shake the big bag now, moving side to side. Hold it at the seal so that the cold ice doesn't freeze your hands instead of your ice cream. You can also use gloves or a cloth to protect your hands. Just remember, it will be colder than 0 degrees Celsius.
You'll need to shake the bag for 5 to 10 minutes or until all the contents of the bag have become solid. You might want to go outside just in case anything leaks.
Now, after shaking your bag until your ice cream looks firm, now you have homemade ice cream. So either serve in a bowl or cone with your favorite toppings, or just eat it straight out of the bag like me and enjoy.
Don't forget to take pictures of your homemade ice cream and submit them in our photo raffle to earn a gift card prize.
If you have any questions, feel free to email cp3elementary@gmail.com or comment in the comment section below. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.